Now, to welcome the gathering officially, I would like to invite a phenomenal and inspirational individual. He is the president of the Alumni Association of Tourism Economics and Hospitality Management, vice president, Alumni Affairs and Management of International Tourism Leaders Summit and International Tourism Research Conference. He is currently holding the position as director and direct disciplinary committee member at the Sri Lanka Rugby and as the president of the Vidyartha Professionals Forum. He possesses over 34 years of military service, held the most senior logistic appointment in the Sri Lankan Army, Major General of Ordnance and Commander Logistics Command, and as the president of the Western Province Rugby Union. He has engaged in the tourism industry profession during the last 12 years and currently functioning as the direct operation at Asia Leisure Group. Sir, over to you. The President, I think your mic is mute.
Very pleasant morning to every one of you. Our chief guest today, the resident representative of UNDP in Sri Lanka, Mr. Robert Jukam, all other distinguished invitees and participants. During a declining period of spreading of COVID-19 in Sri Lanka, and at the time of our country is on the process of reopening safely, progressively, and sustainably for tourism sector, we were eager to go ahead with the annual Tourism Leaders Summit this year too, on the World Tourism Day itself. I feel that it's our responsibility to convey our gratitude to United Nations World Tourism Organization for initiating and declaring the 27th of September in every year as the World Tourism Day, and encouraging all the member states and affiliated members to foster awareness among the global community of tourism's social, cultural, political, and economics value and the contribution sector can make in reaching sustainable goals, sustainable development goals. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the organizing committee of the 7th International Tourism Leaders Summit and the Tourism Leaders Conference, and also as the president of Alumni Association of Tourism, Economics and Hospitality Management, I warmly and respectfully welcome our chief guest today, the resident representative of UNDP, Mr. Robert Jukam. Your Honor, you being the head of UNDP arm in Sri Lanka, which advocate for change and connect countries to knowledge, experience and resources to help people build a better life. Your active participation is a great encouragement for all the tourism stakeholders here, because UNDP mandate is quite applicable to us. We are delighted to offer the most hospitable welcome to you. Now, I wish to extend a very warm welcome to our guest of honor, Vice Chancellor of University of Colombo, Senior Professor Chandrika Vijayaraghavan. Madam, your continuous support, encouragement and patronage for tourism education, tourism development program and tourism projects are greatly appreciated. We warmly welcome you. Distinguished invitees, it's with great pleasure that I welcome the guest speaker in our summit today, Professor Sanjay Nadkarni, Director of Innovation and Research Study, Academy of Hospitality Management in Dubai, who is going to address us from Dubai. His main interest in the convergence space of analytic, digital, and sustainability in the service sector are very much acceptable for tourism. We warmly welcome you, sir. I'm extremely happy to welcome our other guest speaker, Mrs. Sharanya Ravikumar, Senior Manager for Planning, Inclusion and Results with the Australian Funded Skill for Inclusive Growth Program, who is specialist in the development program design. We warmly welcome you. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the very dedicated organizing committee, I wish to offer a gracious welcome to our Guru, the founder and coordinator of Master in Tourism, Economics and Hotel Management, University of Colombo, Professor Suranga Silva. Your guidance and the leadership to conduct this educational and promotional event, Tourism Leaders Summit for 7th consecutive year, is a great landmark. Now, may I very respectfully welcome all the senior academics, including senior lecturers in charge of tourism study courses, visiting lecturers on specialist subjects, and also all staff members of University of Colombo. Just to share with you, all the arrangements related to this event in planning and executing after certain readjustments were done by your own students of the study programs. Your presence here have created a great impact, and all the students join me to welcome you. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are proud to have a large number of senior industry professionals and also major sponsors during the previous year summits. Some of you are investors, some of you are managing directors, and some of you are directors in the respective boards. At a time when we are trying to position ourselves as a top sustainable and innovative tourism destination in the world, our industry partners capitalize the advantages of the abundance of natural resources and the natural landscape that we are inherited with. Our industry partners have taken active steps to move forward for a more sustainable future. I'm sure you will gather more information for your projects, while learning partners will have an opportunity to interact with you in the future. We cordially welcome all valuable and productive industry partners and sponsors. It's my desire to extend a gracious and inclusive welcome to all the directors of Tourism Leaders Summit and Tourism Leaders Conference, including the Secretary General. I also wish to extend a very sincere and honored welcome to all the office bearers and executive committee members of the alumni. Both these groups, directors and the exco members, have been working with a lot of dedication and commitment during the last few weeks to get this going. Many of you wanted to have a physical event, but due to obvious reasons, we had to confine to a virtual meeting with your meaningful participation. We greatly admire your presence. It's with warm feeling that I welcome the students of tourism study programs in University of Colombo and all other individuals who have joined this program on the request or the invitation from your colleagues. I must say that all these participants whom I mentioned just now are a driving force for social inclusion, and some of you may be from the benefiting groups of youth and women, and maybe owners or the employees of small or medium-sized enterprises. I'm sure many of you have participated in previous Leaders Summit too. And the participation at this program and this type of programs and devoting your time will be an investment in the future. And I extend a rousing welcome to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, collectively, I warmly welcome all of you for the 7th Tourism Leaders Summit, which is being held while commemorating World Tourism Day. Thank you very much.